Hey there, folks. This is Joe Crawford of artlung.com. Pretty much every day, even when I'm traveling, I go to CSSBattle.dev, do the daily target, and record myself doing so. That's what I'm going to do right now. Oh, yes. I love it. It's great. This is a terrific shape. I would normally do the nested template for one like this. I'm going to go blank template, which is a paragraph element. And so what are the pieces and the parts? Let's figure it out. So the first thing, put purple on the body. And I think I can make that an ampersand. I'm going to move the margins. Nah, I don't need to move the margins. Okay, I'm going to set to diff. So get the correct margins on the top. 1, 11, 12, 2, 3, 2, 1, 12. Oh, even better. So the margins are 12. Next, I'm going to set the background to nothing, although I believe that's going to be 2 radial gradients is how I'll do that one. And I'm going to set a border solid 30 pixels. No, how about 25 pixels or 20 pixels? 20 pixels, and the color is not quite white. It's EEEDED. So that's my color. That's my size. Needs to be taller, 130, 40. How about 200? How about 210? How about 220? And that does it. Beautiful. So that's already pretty good. We're going to use a radial gradient twice. So to do that, I'm going to put it in a variable. I'll call it C, radial gradient. And I'm going to set 1Q. And the color is, I'm going to start with purple. No, I don't need to do that. I don't need to do that. I can do transparent because it'll see through to the body. I need a radius, 40 pixels. And then no, because I'm going to use it twice, I need it to be purple and I need it to be transparent. And I don't need the 0. And I need a background. And I'm going to do var -fc. And then I need a backup background color. And there it is. So that's the start. So obviously I need a bigger circle. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And we're going to use it twice. Yeah, I think that's correct. So now I'm going to do -10 pixels, -100 pixels. And you see that repeat, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60. That works out perfectly. So all we need is a single value background position, and that's the x-axis. By default, it's 50% on the y-axis, right? And so we don't need to add that, and we don't need to add a size because we're at the right size, so this whole circle fits in there, and we'll repeat. So the second one we want is var -c, and that one, 50% is correct on the x-axis, and then we need a height, and that height will be probably some smaller, or I'm going to need to set a height. I think I'm going to need to set a height, but maybe not. Let's -100 pixels, -110 pixels. Nope, that does it. Let's submit and make sure we're at 100%. Circles can sometimes be a little trickier to get right, but we've hit 100%, and that's our goal. Minify, unit replace, chop off that final brace, and submit for a final score. I like that one. Super good. I have mentioned before, I'm on a new laptop. Hopefully, the audio for this is great. If it's not, I'm sorry. Hopefully, the code is still watchable and visible. All right, that's it. Be safe out there. Have fun out there. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other. Go make a web page. Go make. The world needs web pages. I mentioned this before, and it's so fun. All right, get out of here. Bye.